Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and going to System, then Display. This gets you directly to brightness controls. Make sure your device has an ambient light sensor and that display drivers are up to date, because the option only appears with proper hardware and drivers. Once done, scan the display page for a setting labeled Change Brightness Automatically or similar. Flip that toggle to On. You're performing these actions now so Windows can read ambient light and adjust screen luminance without further setup. Next, you refine behavior via power options so brightness adapts reliably across battery and plugged-in states. Open Control Panel, choose Power Options, then change plan settings for your active plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings and expand Display to find Enable Adaptive Brightness. Set it to On for both on battery and plugged in so Windows applies adjustments consistently. This step affects how aggressive the system is about dimming. Adjust both entries because one mode might remain static otherwise. Finally, complete the change by restarting or signing out so all settings and drivers initialize. This often makes the auto brightness toggle appear if it was hidden. If you still lack the option, update the OEM display driver and the ambient light sensor driver via Device Manager, or reinstall the sensor driver to restore functionality. Test results by moving between bright and dim environments. If behavior conflicts, check third-party apps that manage display brightness and temporarily disable them to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.